Pobl sy'n helpu. People who help us. Nurse, nurse. Doctor, doctor. Heddlu, police. Paramedic, paramedic. Diffoddwr tân, firefighter. Deintydd, dentist. Milfeddyg, vet. Person post, mail person. Casglwr sbwriel, refuse collector. Warden traffic, traffic warden. Llyfrgellydd, librarian. Person lollipop, lollipop person. Cludiant, transport. Car, car. Beic, bike. Beic modur, motorbike. Cwch, boat. Hofrennydd, helicopter. Bus, bus. Lorry, lorry. Tractor, tractor. Ambulance, ambulance. Train, train. Injan dan, fire engine. Awyren, aeroplane. Offer, equipment. Stethoscope, stethoscope. Thermometer, thermometer. Moddion neu ffisig, medicine. Plaster, plaster. Rhwymin, bandage. Helmet, helmet. Pibell dŵr, hosepipe. Llythyrau, letters. Parcelu, parcels. Blwch postio, postbox. Llyfrau, books. Cyfrifiaduron, computers. Mannau gwaith, places of work. Gorsaf dân, fire station. Llyfrgell, library. Gorsaf heddlu, police station. Ysbyty, hospital. Deintydd, dentist. Milfeddyg, vet. Swyddfa bost, post office. Canolfan ailgylchu, recycling centre. Pwy sy'n ein helpu? Who helps us? Mae constable heddlu yn wisgo het. The police constable wears a hat. Beth am wisgo fel nurse? How about dressing like a nurse? Ble mae dillad diffoddwr tân? Where are the firefighter clothes? Beth mae deintydd yn wneud i helpu? What does a dentist do to help? Mae'r deintydd yn helpu cadw ein dannedd yn iach. The dentist helps to keep our teeth healthy. Beth yw gwaith person lollipop? What is the lollipop person's job? Mae'r person lollipop yn helpu ni i groesi'r ffordd. The lollipop person helps us cross the road.